Hello, my name is Matt, and today I will be showing you how to use trig identities to simplify expressions. Here we have the expression cosecant of x plus cotangent of x over tan of x plus sine of x. Our first step to tackling this problem is to change all terms into sine or cosine. We could start with tangent and cotangent identities. We know that tangent of x is basically sine of x over cosine of x. And since we know that cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, the same is true. Using our knowledge of reciprocal identity, we know that cosecant of x is basically 1 over sine of x. Now we have our new expression. Okay, our second step is to find common denominators. So now we got 1 plus cosine over sine. We need to times sine by cosine, so they both share a common denominator. From there, we get sine of x plus sine of x times cosine of x over cosine of x. Then from there, you could just factor by sine of x to get sine of x times 1 plus cosine of x over cosine. From there, you could just cancel out. So we could cancel out 1 plus cosine, and we are left with these terms. Then finally, since we know that dividing by a fraction is basically multiplying by its reciprocal, we get 1 over sine of x times cosine of x over sine of x. We get our answer of cosine of x over sine squared of x. Thanks for watching.